Alright, so I welcome you back to the channel. You already know the name. I'm UNS Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get an instant bank account and an instant credit card for as low as just 1 Ghana cedi. Alright, so the bank that we are going to use in this video is the Ghana Commercial Bank, and this is their mobile banking app. Already I've done or I've made a video on how to create a virtual card for your online shopping with the ecoBank mobile app, so you can just check it out in this video's description. So with this video you would have to download the app from either your app store or your play store. Alright, so after downloading the app you just have to open the app or launch the app. So this is the interface of the app when you launch it. Go to register, tap on get started after tapping on register. Alright, so from this interface you have to choose between these options. So you come to open GCB instant account because you don't have any of these two options here. Then we go to next. After going to next, we tap on next again. Then you fill these forms over here. I mean your number, your mail, your national ID, especially your Ghana card. Then you select your title. So after doing everything, you have to mark this box over here, then tap on next. So a verification code will be sent to your phone number, I mean the number that you used to register on this particular account. So you would go and copy the code and come and paste it here. So after verifying your number, what would appear next is facial verification. Yeah, the system would ask you to take a selfie of yourself, so you would have to position your face in the box showing over here and take a selfie of yourself. So you have to click on continue after taking the selfie. So your Ghana card information will show up for verification. So next is the security question setup. So over here you have to set a security question in case you forget your password. This security question will actually help you reset your password. After clicking on set security question, next is the password creation. So over here you would have to create a password that you would use to log in to this particular app. So you choose or you create your password. After that you confirm your password and click on create password. So wait for next setup to come. That's the PIN setup. Over here you would have to choose 4-digit PIN in case you do any transaction on this platform. This is what they would actually ask you for you to enter. Yeah, so this how it goes. So after clicking on choose the password, I think you are almost done for the account creation. So next is you are done, so you have to log in again by entering your email and the password that you created. Alright, so over here you have to click on the skip button. That's from your right top corner over here. You have to click on it and it will send you to the home page of the app. Alright, so this is how the app look like after you are done registering. So please make sure that every details that you give them are legit details, I mean they are correct details, or else your account might be suspended, or you might have to go to the bank to correct some details that you provided. Now that you have successfully created the account, what is left right now is to deposit into the account and use that money to create an instant virtual card. If you want to deposit into your account, you just have to copy your account number, and this is your account number. you have to copy it right from here. Now let's send money from our mobile money account to the GCB instant account. So go to your phone dialer. If you are using MTN, dial *170#. Then you go to transfer money. Choose option 6, that's bank account. Then we choose option 1, that's wallet to bank account. Choose GCB Bank, that's option 3. Then you paste the account number over here. So you enter the account number. So you enter the account number again for confirmation. So as you can see, you can see my name and my details over here. Then you tap on the option 1 to confirm. Input the amount, then you continue from there. So as soon as you finish the whole process, it will take like 30 seconds. Your money will reflect in your instant account. Now let's go back into our GCB bank account after depositing the money. Alright, so you can see right from here that the money has reflected in our GCB bank account. That's from the mobile app. You can clearly see it's right from here. So if you want to create the virtual card, you just have to come to the third tap button here. Then you tap on the card button. Then you go to GCB virtual cards. Wait for the interface to load and go to request a new virtual card. Alright, so from this interface you have the option to choose from the account you want, and it's going to be from the instant account. Check the box over here, then tap on submit. And mind you, the card is just 1 Ghana cedis. So you can see from here the insurance fee of 1 Ghana cedi, Princess Edu, and then you tap on confirm. Alright, so right after you tap on confirm, you have to enter your PIN over here. So after entering your PIN, you're going to see that you deducted 1 Ghana cedi from your account. So it is done here. Virtual card portion 1 Ghana cedis. So this is what I have for you today. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for it to reach out to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.